Okay, we got Anthony pre-spraying today for the first time. And as you can see, this carpet is heavily stained. You want to keep a nice even flow, Anthony. Right. Now, we didn't bring the Rotovac today, so we're going to use the CRB today to agitate this in afterwards. Okay, get in the corner, Anthony. Keep moving. Get those spots real good. Yep. Real good. Real good. Real good. The object is keep it flowing. Keep it flowing. We're using Soap's Daddy's Prime Time. Real good pre-spray. Anthony, you want to come back up here and hit this again. See where I'm showing right here? Yep. Right. Keep on going. Go all the way across. Right. Let that steamy soap get right in there. Right. Good job. Good job. This is Sammy Sales inline sprayer. Really works really good. He uses the longer nozzle so you can get right down in between the fibers when you pre-spray. Look how soiled this is. Look at this. So this is gonna, ladies really gonna be happy when we're done. We're gonna use the CRB. Keep going a little bit faster. Oh, that's not too bad. Yep. Anthony's my ride along for this week. And he's doing very good. Anthony's from New York. So you guys on New York, you be on notice. Anthony's about to take over with some real good marketing and some of Roger Lloyd's technical training, whether you like it or not. Don't worry about what they say about you, Anthony. When you counting your money every day like I'm counting mine, what the guys in the industry say don't really matter. As long as your customers are happy and you know you're doing a good job. We're going to hook you up with Sammy Sales. He's going to get you one of those steam action truck mounts. And then, Anthony, you on your way. You're going to be on your way, my man. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let it cook right into those stains. Don't worry about what these carpet cleaners say, man. A lot of them are negative. And why aren't they working right now? Why are they sitting home right now watching me and you when they not out working? They should be commenting later, not now. Don't worry about it. Hey, I'm telling you, Anthony, you're going to be fine. You're very personable. The customers will like you. And I'm going to make sure I set you straight before you leave this week so you can go back to New York and make you some real good money, man. I might need to borrow some. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Good work, good work. That's it. Take your time. Get them edges real good. Get the edges. Anthony, do me a favor. When you're done that, come back and get along this edge right here. Okay? Good deal. I know. Good deal. Keep going. Keep going. You have to get right in there. Let that hot, steamy soap from Soap Daddy's Prime Time get right in there. I'm going to introduce you to DeAndre Winston too, Anthony. Well, you said you might have a guy that makes your chemicals. I'm still going to introduce you to Good deal. Okay. This is good. Yep. Keep going. Wait, stop. Put it down for a minute. Pull your hose back. Pull your hose back. Take your time. That's the hose sleeve. That's by Heat Saber. You want to get one of these hose sleeves. This helps your water stay hot when you're not squeezing the trigger, Anthony. That's called the Heat Saber hose sleeve. That really helps you keep the water hot in your hose when you're not squeezing the trigger. First thing, we're going to introduce you to Sammy Sales so he can get you into a real nice truck mount. And you're going to get the automatic hose reels and everything. You see how fast and how smooth we're working, Anthony. All these things come into play. You want to get your water softener. You want to get your automatic hose reels. Time is money. Money is time in the carpet cleaning industry. Now you see how we came in, we looked at this carpet, and I talked to the lady about our scrubbing steam service. And what she say? Yes, right away, didn't she, Aunt? She said yes, right away. See, you know, you gotta, it's one thing for guys to just tell you you're doing it wrong. It's another thing for them to show you. Now you witnessed how I talked to the lady. She was very receptive, and she's gonna be very happy. Yes, the hose sleeves really work in the cold weather, Aaron. They really help keep the heat in your hose when you're not squeezing the trigger. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get Anthony set up with the CRB, and then I'll let you see some of that. You stay tuned.